Good morning students. Today we will study class 7th and chapter number 20 is your mensuration. Okay, first of before starting this chapter we have to know about the some formulas of this chapter, and the formulas are: first one is your rectangle. Formula first one is your rectangle. So first one is area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is your length into breadth. After that your square units, whatever it is, meter, centimeter, what the unit is given here. Now second one is your, if you have to find the length, then formula is your area upon breadth, right? Third is your, if you have to find the breadth, then area upon your length. After that, breadth, length, then your diagonal. Fourth one is your, if you have to find the diagonal, then formula will your under root L square plus B square, after that your unit, right? Length square plus breadth square, fourth. Then fifth one is your perimeter. Perimeter is your 2L plus B and your unit, right? 2 length plus breadth, after that you have to write the unit. Now the second one is your, first is your rectangle, second one is your area of 4 walls, right? Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls, right? Suppose this is a room and you have to find the area of this whole room, you have to find the area. Then we will use area of 4 walls. And what is the area of 4 walls? First one, you have to find area of 4 walls. First formula is area of 4 walls equals to 2 length plus breadth multiply by your height. Okay, 2 length plus breadth multiply by height, after that your square unit. Now the second one is your here diagonal of the room. Diagonal of room is your under root L square plus breadth square plus height square. Okay, length square plus breadth square plus height square, after that your unit. Unit is compulsory in this exercise. Okay, sorry, in this chapter. Unit, you have to write the unit also. Now the third one is your square. Third is your square. First we have to write the formula of area of square. Area of square is your side square. Okay, area of square will be side square. Then the second is your side of square. Side of square. Side of square will be under root your area, whatever it is given. Here also square unit, and here you have to write only unit. Then diagonal. Third one is your diagonal of square. What is the diagonal of square? Diagonal of square is under root 2a and your unit. Fourth one is your perimeter of square. perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is 4a and your unit. Now last one is your area of square when diagonal is given. जब आपको डायगोनल दिया हुआ है और साइड गिवन नहीं है, उसका फॉर्मूला 1/2 into diagonal square, after that here square unit. These are the major formula of this chapter. You have to remind this in your mind or you have to learn also, right? Now we will discuss your first exercise, exercise 20A, right? The first exercise 21A, the first question is given. Exercise 20A. The question is given here. Find the area of rectangle whose dimensions are. You have to find the area of rectangle whose dimensions are length equals to 24.5 meter and breadth equals to 18 meter. Right? You have to find the area of rectangle, right? So the formula is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is your length multiplied by breadth, right? Length multiplied by breadth. So 24.5 meter multiplied by 18 meter. So your answer will be 24.5 meter multiplied by 18 meter will be your when you multiply this, right here multiplication 24.5 multiplied by 18. पॉइंट अभी नहीं लगाना है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन. अगर इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट द डेसिमल मल्टीप्लीकेशन देन सिंपली राइट हियर 24245. डोंट मेंशन, डोंट नीड टू राइट हियर पॉइंट. 44 32 and 4 36 16 19 here. Then put here multiply 5 4 2. Add this 11 1 14 4 1 44. After that here it is point, then mention it here. It will be your 441 meter square, right? 441 meter square. Answer is coming here 441.0. I don't have, there is no need to write decimal. From here how many digits are कितनी digits के बाद यहाँ पे decimal है 1 digit के बाद. Then we will write here 1 digit decimal and here it is 0. So we don't have to need to write here 0, right? After that second question is given. Second part is also length and breadth is given. You have to find the area. Then the second question is find the area of rectangular plot, one side of which is 48 meter and its diagonal is 50 meter. One side आपको 48 meter दे रखी है and diagonal is given here 50 meter. Now let's come to question number second. In question number second it is given here one side is 48 meter and second is your diagonal is 50 meter, right? In question number second, suppose length equals to 48 meter and diagonal equals to 50 meter. It is given here. Now we will remind here suppose this is your rectangle. This is your rectangle and this one is your diagonal, right? This is your diagonal. After that, it is here, it is given 48 meter and diagonal is your 50 meter, right? 48 meter and 50 meter is given here. Now when you turn this, जब आप इसको टर्न करेंगे, ये साइड आपकी बेस, after that this one is your perpendicular and this one is your hypotenuse, right? After when you turn this, this one is your base, perpendicular and your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be 50 meter and when you turn this, it will be of 48 meter. You have to find perpendicular by using Pythagoras theorem, which you have studied in your previous chapter, right? In chapter number 15. Now the Pythagoras theorem equals to h square equals to p square plus b square, h equals to under root p square plus b square. After that, what you have to find here? We have to find here p, right? So write here p square equals to h square minus b square. After that, h square minus b square, then your p equals to under root h square minus b square. What is your h here? Hypotenuse is your 50 and b is your 48. So p equals to, what is the square of 50? It will be a 2500. Then it is given here 48, 2304, right? 2304 will be the square. When you minus this, p equals to under root 196 and it will be of 14 meter, right? So the breadth will be of, breadth equals to 14 meter. Length is given here 48 meter, breadth is given here 14 meter. Put the formula area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, length multiply by breadth, right? Length multiply by breadth. What is your length? Length is your 48 meter multiply by 14 meter. 48 multiply by 14, right? When you multiply this, it will be of 672 meter square. This is your answer of question number 2. Now you have to do question number 3, 4 and 5, right? You have to do here question number 3, 4 and 5. I am mentioning the homework here. Homework is your question number first part, second and question 3, 4 and 5, right? This is your homework. We will discuss this chapter in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.